Looking to boost your clinical skills? We've got something just for you. Introducing the Nordic Anatomy and Injection Therapy course at St. Olavs Hospital in Trondheim, Norway. This in collaboration with Digital Medicine MSK. This is where healthcare professionals like you get hands-on experience with real anatomical specimens and expert guidance. Why choose Nordic? Imagine mastering advanced anatomy and injection techniques in small group sessions, all under the watchful eyes of instructors with over 20 years of expertise. It's not just training, it's an exclusive, personalized learning experience. From intricate dissections to practical pharmacology insights, you'll gain the skills to handle musculoskeletal and orthopedic conditions with confidence. And with only 30 spots available, this is your chance to shine. Save the dates, May 26th to 28th, 2025. Register now at www.almanordic.com. Take your clinical skills to new heights with Nordic in Trondheim. This in collaboration with Digital Medicine MSK.